Little different video today. I got a leaky tub spout thing. My handle leaks. There's a couple videos out there how to do that, but they're really long and kind of irritating, so I'm going to show you how to do it really quick. Here you go. There's my problem. He's been running for a minute. Basically what it's going to be is there's a little valvey thing back here with some rubber gaskets on it, and they go bad and it gets stupid, so we need to replace it. First thing you want to do, pop this cap off. Flat blade screwdriver will take it out, and then there'll be a Phillips screw in there, or flathead depending on yours. Take screw out. Next thing we want to do is pull the handle off. It's probably going to be corroded on there really bad, much like this one. Alright, now you can grab and wiggle this for like 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 minutes or however long, because they're really corroded. But I am not a patient man, so hit her with the torch for about 10 seconds and freeze right up. So if you have one of those, definitely makes life easier. Alright, so there you go, that's what's under there. Take your little chrome thing off, probably unscrews. There you go. Unscrew that. And this little fella, hard to see, but there's a hexagon nut in there. Oh, hold on just a second. Where's my flash? There you go. There you go. Now there's a special wrench. We gotta go to Menards or Home Depot and get it off. It's this big tubular thing that fits in there and grabs that. So I'll go grab that and we'll just replace it. So these are the tools you're gonna need to remove this. That big nut will come off with one of these. I have a Menards locally. Well, I don't know what store you'll have, but they only have it in these big sets. It was $20 for this. It was like $5 for that. But I'm going to show you a little cheat for this. If you're a car guy like me, you probably got some deep wells sitting around. This is a 7/8. So instead of using one of these big fancy things here, you just, it'll fit right through there. And just put a pipe wrench on there. Darn it. It'll come loose. That'll save you $20 or however much your tool costs at your store. Yeah. Comes out nice and easy. So you want to take this in with you and get the appropriate one. Alright, so here's my new stem. Actually wasn't able to find this at Menards, but they do have it at Ace Hardware and Home Depot. Next thing you want to do here is, this is called the valve seat, or the stem seat. See, it's right in there. Mine's black and all corroded and gross. This fits on your little, here's your little angle tool here. Your stem tool. There's a square end and a weird end. You go with the square end on this particular one. There you go. That's how it fits on. See, it just slides on there. But anyway, you want to take and to get this one out, put it in there and kind of whack right here with a hammer pretty good. You want that to be really well seated in there, because if you just try to stick it in and turn it, you'll probably risk stripping it out. So go ahead and hammer that in. We'll unscrew this old one. Reverse order. Put the new seat in. Screw that guy in. There's the new stem. Well, I mean new seat. Nice and shiny. So we'll screw this in next. If you'll notice this rubber washer right here, or rubber O-ring, most all of them will have this. Some of them it'll be like a nylon or plastic type washer that'll sit right here. If you have a different brand, like any other brand of faucets, it might have like another extension piece that you have to unscrew. They vary, but it'll get you the general point. But alright, yeah, so we'll just screw this guy in here, tighten it down. Actually, I decided to go ahead and turn the water main on first and look in there to make sure it's not leaking. And it definitely isn't, so let's test it. Alright, water. Doing no leaks. Turn it back off. See if my drip stopped. Residual water that's built up in there. Put your little trim piece back on here. Your handle. Put your screw in and you're all done. We're good.